Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: CPU, 4 GB RAM, and at least 20 GB free storage. Once verified, download the Bazzite OS image and check the SHA-256 checksum so you avoid corrupted installs. Next, create a bootable USB. I recommend Bailna Etcher for simplicity or DD on Linux for control. As you write the image, make sure to select the correct USB device to prevent data loss. When the write completes, safely eject the drive and prepare to boot into the installer. You now boot the machine from the USB and select the Bazzite installer. Choose UEFI or legacy mode depending on your firmware. During installation, pick guided LVM for easy snapshots or manual partitioning if you need a custom layout. Configure encryption if you require disk security. Remember, it adds a passphrase prompt at boot. Then set your username, hostname, and network. Use WPA2 for Wi-Fi or a static IP for servers. Once done, the installer will copy files and install the bootloader automatically. After installation finishes, reboot and remove the USB so the system boots from the newly installed drive. You should log in and immediately update packages, enable essential services, and configure systemd targets and the firewall. Customize desktop or server settings as needed and create backups or snapshots. If the system doesn't boot, inspect boot order and secure boot settings. Then switch to a live USB to review kernel logs, dmesc, and journoctl, and verify the bootloader configuration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.